That one? We saw some
illegal
illegal ones.
That one?
You saw,
and then we saw that one.
We saw a lot of illegal ones.
No, we saw another. Maybe I saw 4.
There's more
Okay,
down there.
we're watching 2 fireworks shows at one time.
That one was
Yeah.
3 fire. 3 fire.
Where's the other one?
Holy moly.
Okay, what happened to
There
those?
was like one.
Oh, here they go. Westlake Village ones.
How do they sell them?
Stop.
Now we've done 4.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yep.
done
Yep.
4. 4th of July. We're supposed to see 4 on
Were you still posting that?
I wish we did. I wish we could see the Don't you wish we could see the camera? We did. We know. We can't see the camera.
Is this a cop show? This
The
is
Westlake one
cop
has
right
2.
No, it does not.
I saw 4. There's one tiny one
Ooh.
over there, and another tiny one over there, and then there's one over here and there.
I saw this huge one. It was just one random one down there. It was pretty
Ooh.
good. It was like a star one. It was better than any of
You hear the Simi Valley ones?
Nope.
No way. I already saw Simi Valley.
Is there any more park going?
Ooh, that's cool.
I didn't say they were doing
No, that
them
was
because
yesterday.
There's nothing.
Is there any more park?
Ooh.
We saw 5 already. 5 shows.
No, we have not. You've seen a bunch of illegal ones.
6 shows.
No, yep, whatever. Don't listen to them. We've only seen 2 actual shows.
I just watched the show.
It wasn't Westlake Village.
No, I've seen 6 real shows.
Yeah.
You're like, listen to this.
Watching 2 shows at the same time here.
You mean 8? Alright.
There's Westlake Village over there. Turn it off.
No, we're watching 8.
You hear fire engines over towards the Thousand Oaks show.
Maybe some people are doing illegal ones.
Maybe it caught the hill on fire.
Well, then why would they still be doing them? They'd stop. Yeah, they'd stop it. Yeah, they'd stop if they were still doing them. I mean, if there was a fire.
Wait, I think I see some over there.
Some more?
Yeah, nope.
Pretty one right there.
Nope. Illegals.
You see?
Those are illegal.
Wait, look at. Yeah, those are illegal. There's some over those mountains. But
Dude, we cannot. Hold. I think I can see the Camarillos.
No, that's just 2000.
Oh, whoa! See? There's a huge one. It was illegal. That guy's gonna get arrested.
Okay, going back to Thousand Oaks now. Oh, they must be doing the finale.
Huge illegal one. Finale. I can't believe the Thousand Oaks are still going on.
I saw another
Illegal.
illegal one.
Ooh.
That was crazy.
I think we see 7 in all. Because
I still have those poppets. I still have 50 poppets left.
poppets.
Yeah.
They're poppets. Oh yeah, poppets. Dude, why are you talking about those?
Can you guys watch the shows?
Now you're boring. Now you're annoying. Oh, wow. You being annoying. That's good. You're red. That's red. And now,
Oh, I see the ones from Malibu.
there's They've been doing that for 18 minutes.
I mean, eight shows.
And they've been doing them for 7 minutes.
Ooh. Okay, back to Thousand Oaks.
Oh, that looks cool. It's like a rainbow one over
Oh
there.
yeah?
Turn over here.
Dad, look at,
Okay.
look at. Hold on, look at this.
Apparently Westlake Village is cooler than Thousand Oaks right now.
I'm just going like this all the time.
Oh, see, rainbow. Whoa.
Oh, now I gotta go back to Thousand Oaks. Oh, 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 oh. That looks like a finale. 2 finales at once. Stop it.
Wow. That's like, look at that.
Got the cloud.
Look at Thousand. Back off.
Love it right now. It does look like a volcano.
Whoa, that is cool.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Volcano.
Okay, that's cool. Oh my God. Dueling fireworks shows. Oh, okay, I think that's it over there. Back to Westlake. Okay, Westlake's still going. They got a late start. Let's see what their grand finale is like.
9:20. Thousand Oaks went for 20 minutes. I've seen one over here. Yeah, they're illegal.
Yeah.
Bradley sees one over the mountains from Simi Valley. Where's that?
Here's.
Yeah. Is that like Arizona? No. We can walk down and see it. I know. He's saying it's Moore Park. It's not Moore Park. There's 3 over there.
That's Simi Valley over that way, guys. It's Simi Valley.
I
Okay?
know, but after Simi Valley.
It's the
over.
San Fernando Valley is further
San Fernando
east.
Valley.
We can't see that far from here though, okay?
It's right there. Look at those ones over there. Those ones are like mountains. Wait, those are ones over there? Those are ones? I don't get it.
You mean fireworks?
Whoa, that one was crazy. You see that? It's not like hey, there's one over
Guys,
there.
we can say that we can, oh my. Now if we see fireworks on Sunday night in Agoura, we can say we've seen 4 fireworks shows this year.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
It's going to be fireworks in Agoura on Sunday night.
11 fireworks. On Sunday? Is that
Yeah.
tomorrow?
Sunday night, no,
I think
tomorrow
that's
Saturday.
11 shows are... Can we go to Agoura?
On Sunday, yeah.
Oh yeah, we could say we saw 4 fireworks shows for 4th of July.
Which one's the best one?
I think so far is the Westlake.
Whoa.
I saw Westlake, even though when we went to Moore Park, there was one with like a star fire. It was like, yeah, there was like a star firework. I saw an illegal one. So, I saw 11. See the rainbow. Yeah,
Keep watching Westlake, they're going to end soon.
The Westlake is the best
You think so?
so far, yeah. I don't know if Agoura's going to top it, but Moore Park was really good because they had like a star.
Yeah.
And Thousand Oaks was really awesome because we saw it with the clouds
Yeah,
over it.
it was
so it looked
cool.
like a volcano.
Yeah.
It was like, I think they're all so good so far. Moore Park is just a little bit behind, but like, at least they're all pretty good right now. Agoura top.
Very diplomatic of you.
Ooh, Pac-Man. That looked like a green Pac-Man. Okay, everyone's going now.
Oh, Grand Finale? Grand Finale maybe?
Fireworks.
Is it coming? Oh, Grand Finale time, I think.
Those are fireworks. I think we should go. Everyone's fireworks over there. Fireworks. Yeah,
Ooh.
everyone left.
Let's watch the end.
Are those fireworks? Those white dots? No, we can watch on the way down. Oh, hey. Are those fireworks? Those white dots? Those white dots? Are those fireworks? Are you done with your lemon soda? You can drink it. Oh, I need a dump.
the grand finale.
Dad, do you have like a treasure?
Look at those. Look like little birds.
That the grand
I
finale.
really think we should get going.
When this is done.
Dad? Yeah. Dad? I think we should go.
Let's watch the end.
Hey, Dad? I think we should go. I know, I have to go. Dad, there's 3! I mean, there's 2! Look at
Oh my, there's more over there.
We're not staying to see the rest
Wow.
of that one. No.
Now we're seeing, oh my, dueling shows again. We have another show over here.
Wait, we've seen 4 shows!
Yeah.
Yes, 4 shows on 4.
Oh, okay, over here.
Yeah.
Oh, but those aren't as
We
good.
don't need to go to the Agora.
We don't need to go to Agora now, Dad, because we've already seen 4.
Yes.
4 shows down and 4th of July.
Yeah, that red boy still available.
That sounds like a big one.
4 shows on 4th of July, and then
Hey, that one still counts.
A 4th of July still counts? No, it doesn't. Nope, we've already seen 4. I've seen Moore Park, Thousand Oaks,
Then what?
Westlake,
Over there.
and the other
over
Westlake.
there. Over there.
So I've seen 4.
Did you count that one? Did you count
The Westlake one right now?
that? Yes.
Westlake, Thousand Oaks. The other
No,
Westlake
not
one.
that Westlake one. That one back there.
I don't need to.